Hello, so in this video we're still going to be doing the external walls, but this time we're going to be using the long and short wall method. Remember, with the perimeter method we got our final value of 40.88 meter, so we're going to still try and work it out and see if we still get the same value. So basically with the long and short wall method is that we are only going to be focused on our length and also our breadth. The length would be this one, which is our longer side, is this side and this side. Then the breadth is this side and this side. So with this method is that on the length side, the length, we're going to take them as they are. Then on the breadth side, this is where we're going to be doing the deductions for the corners. So it's as easy as that. So what do I mean? The corners, we're only going to be deducting these the two corners on this left and also the two corners on the right. Then the length, we just take them as they are, as simple as that. So we have like two approaches that we actually can use. The first one is that we can deduct the two corners on this left hand side here and here, or we can just like have a mix and deduct the two corner, this one and this one. On the right we can deduct this one and this one, but like I'll just like show both methods. So now let's do the calculations. So we're going to start on this left hand side. I will say we have our 8 4 30 minus the 2 into 220, the 2 into 220, that's the two corners. Remember, even this one, it's your 220. Then what we get 7990. Then now we are done with this side. We go to the other side. What we have 9860 minus 2 into your 220 for the two corners. Also this one is 220. Then what do we get? We get 9420. These are in millimeters, and remember you have to do your conversion divided by 1000. So it means you're going to have 9.42, 7.9. So we did those ones, then and now we have to show our final calculations. So our final calculations will say, remember the length or the longer side, we just take them as they are. We're going to have 2 multiplied by 11.02, which is this one, this side and this side. Then we're gonna have our 7.99. Then we're gonna have our 9.42. Then we mustn't forget this wall going up. Still gonna add that one as our 1.43. you see. So that like we've worked on each and every one. So this will give us 22.04. Then if you add 22.04 plus 7.99 plus 9.42 plus this, your final value will give you 40.88. you see. So yeah, that's basically adding the two lengths as they are, 2 multiplied by 11.02. Then on the length, we're not going to do any deductions. The deductions that we did were just on this side. So I'm just going to show you another way that we can do this one. Another way is that, okay, since in that previous method we only deducted here and here, now we can actually deduct here and here. So we will have what? We will have our 1430 minus the 220, which is the corner. Then this will give us 1210. 1, 2, 3 divided by 12. Remember, we're working in meters. Then now we're going to have what? We're going to have this 8 4 30. We're going to have this 8 4 30, 8 4 30. Then on the 8 4 30, 8 4 30, remember it's from here to exactly there. Then we're only gonna deduct this 220, or this corner here, minus the 220. Then what are we getting? We are getting 8 2 10, 8 2 10, 1 2 3. That is 8.21. Then now, since we're done with this side, we're going to focus on the other side. We have our 9 8 60 minus 2 into 220, because we have the 220s, the two 220s, this side 1 2. Then what do we have? We have 9 4 20. We're getting our 9 4 20. Then we're done with the deductions on either side. So now we go to our final calculation. We'll say what do we have? We have 2 by 11.02. Remember the length, we just take it as it is. Then what do we have? We have that 9.42. Then we have 8.21. Then we have 1.21. See? So now let me see if I didn't miss anything. No, I didn't miss anything. So if you calculate everything as it is, it's supposed to give you 40.88. You have 22.04. Then you also confirm. We have 22.04 plus 9.42 plus 8.21 plus 1.21. Yeah, this will also give you your 40.88. See? So yeah, those are mainly the 3 ways that you can do your external walls calculation. I think this one is also easy. Then the first one that like we did, remember, is the perimeter. With the perimeter method, we had something like this. Then we had to deduct the 4 corners here. So we just pretended like we had a shape like this. So what we did was the cut and join of the wall. If you're having a shape like this, always try to work with a square. You can cut and join the wall and extend it to this side. Basically, it's not extending, you're just moving this wall to this side, this one to this side, then you're having a shape like this. If you're having a shape like this, you know, these are your 2 lengths, these are your breadth. Then you guys just say the formula for the perimeter is twice your length plus twice your breadth. Then you work this out, and then you deduct the 4 corners. Then this will give you, this is your 0.88. From this value that you get, you deduct this one, then you will get your 40.88. See, so the 4 is the 1 2 3 4, the 4 corners. So as simple as that.